Okay, we're looking for extrema values, or the extrema, which are extreme values. So in order to do this, we're going to, again, take the derivative. So we're going to have f prime of x. But we have our slope function now, 6x squared. What is that? Minus 30x. And then we have a plus 24. Nobody cares about constants. Okay, and then we have 0 equals this thing right here because we want to find out where the slope equals 0. Where is this slope equal 0? And so, can I divide everything by 6? Please, please, please say yes. Please say yes. Yes, we can. Now it makes our job of factoring a little more simple. We have x squared minus 5x, and then we have a plus 4 right here. All right, does this factor nice and pretty like?
Yes.
X minus 1, x plus 4? No.
X minus 1, x
minus 4. All right, so those will multiply to give me 4, add to give me negative 5, so we're gravy. We have x equals 1 and 4. Now what we just found are critical points. At this x value and this x value, we have a slope of 0. Okay? Is there anywhere where the slope would be undefined? Well, not for this one because it's a polynomial. Okay, you only have to worry about undefined things like if there's a radical or if there's a variable on the bottom of a fraction. Okay, so we don't have to worry about right here. But we also have to worry about the endpoints. So how do we know? See, our endpoints are right here. How do we know which ones are above or like the maximums and which ones are the minimums? How are we going to find out where they're at on the graph? Plug them in! That's right, little munchkin guy. Okay, so we have x or f of 0 equals something. Then we have f of 1 equals something. And then we also have f of 4 equals something. And then we have f of 6. We got to find all of those. Okay, so how would you find those? Plug them in! That's right, good job. Okay, let's do the 0 one because that one's simple. He goes away, he goes away, he goes away. What do we get? 7. Okay, I don't really want to do the 1, but we'll do it. So we have 2 times 1 to the third power minus 15 times 1 to the second power plus 24 times 1 plus 7. Like, see, you guys are like, yawn, I know how to do this. Okay, so we can do all that, or we can go to Desmos and cheat. Let's go to Desmos and cheat. Okay, let's go to Desmos. So we're going to go over to Desmos right here, and we got to put in our function. That's not that function. What was the function? Read it to me.
2x cubed.
2x raised to the third power, and then
Minus 15x squared.
minus 15x squared,
Plus,
and then
plus 24x.
plus 24x, and then,
Plus 7.
whoops, 24x plus 7. Alrighty, so now we can zoom that dude out, and we can see what's going on here. Let's change our viewing window just slightly. Let's go to -1.
You can't see it.
You can't see what?
Any of it. The graph.
Oh, I'm saying all this stuff. You guys can't even see what's going on. Okay, where did you go? Why did you go over there? There he is. There he is. He's peeking over. Okay. So there he is. Okay, and then I'm gonna change this viewing window. Thank you for finally telling me that you guys couldn't see it. You guys are just sitting there going, "What's he doing?" All right, there he is. So, oh yeah, we had two. It was a closed interval, right? What was the lower bound? 0. And the upper bound?
6.
So x equals 6. So right there and there. Oh, dang. So I have to shrink up that y value right there. Let's put 60 right here. All right, cool. Now we can see all of our points. We're cheating. So we got 7, 18, -9, and what's that one? 43. 7, 18, -9, and 43. So let's throw those guys right here. 7, 18, -9, and 43. All right, guys, which one's the max?
43.
Yeah. There's your max. What's your min? Right there. Okay, so our max was actually on the end point, huh? It wasn't on one of the critical points. Now, if we look back at our graph at 0, that would not be considered a local max, or I'm sorry, local minimum, because it's on the end point. But down here, oh wait, that's the absolute minimum right there. This would be called a local maximum. It's not that the maximum, which is also known as the absolute maximum because of that guy right there. All right, so you guys good? You guys see the visualness?